I was just about to put this part in my 3-jaw chuck and indicate it in, or at least somewhat indicated in. As you can see, this thing is really wobbling around. And this is how I fix that. I just tap it. That looks a lot better, but it's not good enough. So I'm going to use my indicator on my surface gauge and just tap it around until that thing reads a couple of thousandths. Once you get closer and look at this indicator. That initial tapping it around got it pretty close, but still not good enough. That's 30 thousandths or so. When it's all the way up there, I'm just going to tap on it. Bring it about halfway. Started tapping it the wrong way. That's pretty close. That didn't really move at all. That wasn't hard at all. Went pretty fast. I don't have a 4-jaw. This is a 3-jaw. Tighten it up. Check it again. If that's a half a thousandth, that thing's right there. So, until next time, enjoy.